Let's solve the issue in the Xiaomi 813 due to the noise of the fan. Here we have schematics of the laptop in blue. The gray part is the support of the fan, and the red part are the screws. Here I found out that in my laptop, the upper left part of the support was actually making contact with the fan. So I just used the two screws in that corner and create some space between the fan and the support itself. I unscrew everything and I just screwed without any mm, evident reason those upper two screws back in, and then I put the rest of the support inside and finished to unscrew the others. In this way, the head of the screws in that corner are going to create enough space and the fan is not going to touch anymore the support. I hope it was helpful for you.